The client installers enable organization administrators to download the applications and provides links for the Eon client for Windows, MyE911 for Windows, and MyE911 for macOS. To download a client installer, click the icon in the Download column to automatically start the download, or click the icon in the Copy Link column and paste that into your preferred browser. The copy link is also externally accessible to share with anyone in your organization. To ensure proper functionality of the Eon client application, the following conditions must be met. The installer must be run to completion by a user with administrative permission. The installer must be run on Microsoft Windows 10 or higher. Supported operating system for Mac is Mac OS 10.13 or higher. Refer to the Eon Client Installer Manual in the online RedSky Help Center for further instructions. Once the app has been downloaded, launch the Eon Client Installer and specify a destination folder if needed. Click Install when prompted. To ensure proper functionality of the MyE911 client application, the following conditions must be met. A MyE911 client user must be pre-provisioned in the RedSky portal by an organization administrator. The administrator must send the installation link and the RedSky Horizon Mobility Host URL to all softphone users downloading the MyE911 client to their devices. The installer must be run on Microsoft Windows 10 or higher, Windows only. A machine running version 10.13 of macOS is required to properly upgrade the application, Mac only. Refer to the MyE911 Client Installer Manual in the portal's online help section for further instructions.